How do you meal prep for a teen diet plan? Are you a teenager looking to eat healthier but not sure where to start? Meal prepping can be a game changer for your diet plan. Let's break down how to meal prep effectively for a teen diet plan that supports fitness and wellness. First, planning balanced meals is key. Each meal should include a mix of food groups. For breakfast, think about whole grain cereal with milk and some fruit. For lunch, a turkey sandwich on whole wheat bread with veggies and yogurt works well. Dinner could be grilled chicken with vegetables and whole grains. Don't forget to add fruits and vegetables to every meal for those essential vitamins and minerals. Next up is hydration. Drinking water throughout the day is important. Sometimes we think we are hungry when we are actually just thirsty. So, drink a glass of water before meals to help manage your appetite and stay healthy. Now let's talk about recipes. Choose easy and customizable meals. Teens love meals they can make their own. Prepare ingredients like rice or quinoa, grilled chicken or beans, and toppings like corn, salsa, or cheese. This way you can create your own burrito bowls or wraps. Smoothie packs with pre-portioned fruits and greens are perfect for quick breakfasts. You can also make DIY salad jars with layers of dressing, veggies, grains, and greens for a fun and easy meal. Cooking in batches is another smart strategy. Make larger amounts of grains, proteins, and chopped vegetables at once. Store them in portion-sized containers. This makes it quicker to assemble meals during busy school days and helps avoid unhealthy convenience foods. Focus on whole foods and limit processed items. Meals made from whole ingredients are the best. Try to avoid fried foods, high-fat snacks, and sugary drinks. When eating out, choose options that are lower in fat, salt, and added sugars. For example, thin crust pizza with vegetable toppings or plain burgers with salad are better choices. Involving teens in meal prep is also important. Teaching teens how to plan and prepare their own meals helps them learn healthy habits. It also allows them to experiment with flavors and ingredients, making healthy eating more enjoyable. When packing school lunches, aim for balance. Include a protein source like turkey or beans, whole grains like whole wheat bread or crackers, fruits, vegetables, and a dairy product such as yogurt or milk. Try to avoid high-fat condiments and choose lighter dressings or hummus instead. By following these steps, you can create a meal prep routine that supports your energy needs, growth, and overall wellness. Plus, you will develop skills that promote independence and healthy choices for life. Happy meal prepping!